Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.19. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock currently rests near the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a promising selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of this trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $9.48 would initially signal a slower rate of decline and could potentially mark the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend forecasts a possible decline of approximately 34.59% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 53.23% to negative 31.96%. Looking at a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 114.47%. Based on our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between 55.65% and 461.03% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $14.18 and $51.11. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, "A very strong day for Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price on Wednesday." The stock price for Rigetti Computing Inc. experienced an increase of 6.3% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025. The price rose from $8.57 to $9.11. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.36%, reaching a low of $8.87 and a high of $9.35. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a gain of 18.01%. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 12 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 26 million shares were traded for approximately $233.54 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the stock is 57.47%, or $12.31, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which stands as the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the symbol RGTI, is currently experiencing notable momentum in the quantum computing sector. As of April 23, 2025, the stock market is showing strong performance, contributing to increasing interest in quantum computing stocks, including Rigetti. Investors are paying attention to Rigetti, which has established itself as a pure play in quantum computing, focusing on the design and manufacture of quantum processing units and hosting a cloud platform for developing quantum applications. Recent accolades include Rigetti's selection as a winner in Innovate UK's Quantum Missions Pilot Competition. This recognition, stemming from a collaboration aimed at enhancing quantum error correction capabilities, positions Rigetti favorably within the competitive landscape of quantum technologies. Such advancements could enhance the company's reputation and draw more institutional investment. Furthermore, with significant price appreciation witnessed late last year, nearly 2,000% in the last quarter, investor interest remains high, signaling potential for short-term volatility, but also long-term gains as quantum technology matures. The stock's recent price rise, marked at around $8.32, reflects positive market sentiment and investor optimism. In the short term, these developments might boost investor confidence and lead to further price increases. In the long term, successful advancements in Rigetti's technology and recognition within the sector could result in substantial returns, making it a stock worth watching for both risk-tolerant and growth-focused investors. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hellum gave RGTI a buy grade along with an initiate action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley gave RGTI a buy grade along with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of $8.55 and $8.84. If the stock falls below any of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal was noted from a pivot bottom point on Friday, April 4th, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by approximately 21.47%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 129 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.95. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 475 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is 5.36%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 5.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts are projecting a consensus estimate of -5 cents. It's important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $11.03. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider. For swing trading, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $8.95. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. performed an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Rivas David executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Rivas David carried out an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 9.485. In total, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.75, reflecting a decline of 3.9%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, we've identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom established 12 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are looking positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we expect Rigetti Computing to open lower by 0.14 of a dollar and start trading at $9.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.